Good morning, my dear students. In this chapter, Organic Chemistry, we had seen introduction, what is organic compounds, what is inorganic compounds, then what are the different sources of organic compounds and comparison between organic and inorganic compounds. Today, we will start the topic unique nature of carbon atoms. See, we have seen many types of atoms and elements, but carbon has some unique property. How? This carbon shows unique, it shows unique property of tetravalency and catenation. I am sure this new word catenation will be new word for you. So now these two properties, tetravalency and catenation, this property makes carbon to form, makes carbon to form a large number of compounds. First see tetra means 4. Carbon, its atomic number is 6, so configuration will be 2 4. So carbon has 4 valence electron. This is 1 2 3 4, 4 valence electron. Each electron is shared by one hydrogen. Its duplet is complete. Now carbon has 1 2 3 4 5 electrons. This hydrogen, one electron is shared, duplet of hydrogen is complete. Now carbon has 1 2 3 4 5 6. Still it is running 2 electrons short. So now it shares with this one. Now it will be 7, and if it shares with this one, now all the 4 hydrogen atoms duplets are complete. What about this carbon? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Octet is complete. So it shares, carbon can share 4 electrons, so its valency will be 4. Therefore it is called, carbon is said to be have tetravalency. Tetra means 4. Then tetravalency of carbon atom. Carbon has 4 valence electron. I have told you these things. Language may be different. Since it can neither lose nor gains electron, carbon can neither lose nor gain electrons. Only it shares to form its octet. So it forms covalent bond by sharing its 4 electron with other atoms. This characteristics, this property of carbon atom, by virtue of which it forms 4 covalent bonds. We had seen here 1 covalent, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds are formed. Since it forms 4 covalent bonds, therefore it is also called tetravalency of carbon. Now catenation. In our previous classes, we had studied that 2 atoms of hydrogen combine to form one molecule. 2 atoms of oxygen forms one molecule of oxygen. 3 atoms combine to form one ozone molecule, or 4 phosphorus atoms combine to form one molecule of this, and 8 sulfur atoms. We had studied 8 sulfur atoms forms one molecule of sulfur. No atoms can combine as much as carbon can combine, can share. Carbon has a unique property. Carbon atoms possess a unique property. It can share electrons with another atoms as well as self atoms. This property is called self-linking. To form a very long chain, you will not believe when the 70 carbon atoms combine together, when 70 carbon atoms combines, they can form more than 5.5 millions of compounds. Only 70 carbon atoms can combine together to form more than 5.5 millions of compound. We will have in our book 5 millions. We will have, when we will go ahead here, more than 5 millions organic compounds are known. But every year, more than many 10,000s or more than even more than thousands compounds are invented every year. So nowadays approximately we have 5.5 million organic compounds. Anyway, this carbon atom possesses a unique property to link together. Link together means self-linking. They combine, they share with same carbon to form very long chains. This property is called catenation. So what is catenation? Catenation is the property of self-linking of atoms of an element through covalent bond in order to form straight chain, branch chain and cyclic chain. This is called catenation. Now, once again, it will be a new term for you: straight chain, branch chain, and cyclic chains. It will be new. We will see it right now. The property of catenation is shown by other elements also, but carbon can show this property up to a large extent. But carbon exhibits this property to maximum extent. This is due to the greater strength of self-linking of carbon atom due to its tetravalency. Now straight chain and branch chain and cyclic chain. Straight means straight. This line is your straight. Branch means what? This is a straight line. This here, one branch is here, another branch is here. Cyclic means what we say? Like this, cyclic, or this is cyclic. We start from here, we will reach here. This is cyclic. Something we will study here also. So, formation of straight, branch and cyclic chain of carbon atoms. See, here we can see carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons. This carbon has also 4 electrons. Now if it shares 1 electron each, what will happen? Both will have 5 electrons. Now if it shares, this carbon shares with 1 hydrogen, then it will be 6 electrons, 7 electrons and 8 electrons. But for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be 6, 7, 8 electrons and it forms ethane. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. All have 4. So if it shares 1 will be 5. Here will be 6, will be 7. Now sharing this with this one. Now octet is complete. For this carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it will be 6, 7 electrons, 8 electrons. Now here are 5 carbon atoms. It is called pentane. Pentane, pentane. Now for here is your, this is called your straight chain. Straight chain. Now branch. Here one branch is coming out. If you see here, this carbon has 4. Now it is 5, 6, 7, 8. My dear students, here is like this. Here straight line plus, here may be something hydrogen or maybe anything we will see in this chapter. You don't write in your board exam like this. You will get no marks. Very strictly I am telling. You will get no marks. So this carbon has now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octet is complete. For this carbon, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 7. Then this one shares 1, 8. Its octet is complete. Come to this carbon to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it will be 6, 7, 8. Its octet is complete. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the 4 carbons are satisfied, means their octets are complete. So they can form straight chain or branch. Now come to cyclic. If you see here, here are 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if it shares this 1 electron, it will have now 5, will have now 6, then hydrogen, This carbon has now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is formula now? C3. H is your 6. It will be, here will be some formulas on in this page number 187. If you see C3H6, it is alkene group. It will be called C3, will be called propene. Like here also you see, all has 2 electrons. Now one is shared, so this carbon will have 2 electrons plus 2 hydrogens, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are here, will be hexene, will be called hexene. Then formation of single, double or triple covalent bond. Carbon, the valency of carbon is 4. Therefore, in order to satisfy its valency, to complete its octet, to satisfy its valency, carbon can form single bond. double covalent bond or triple covalent bond. How? We will see. The carbon can form single covalent bond, double covalent bond, or even triple covalent bond. We see here this carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. Now both needs 4 electron each, so they will share 1 electron. Now it has 5 electrons, this has 5 electrons. When it shares with 1 electron, now it is 6. Here is 7, now it is 8. Octet is complete. What about this carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7 and 8. What is the formula? C2. Formula is C2 and H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C2H6. It is called ethane. So both carbon atoms sharing 1 electrons. Here see, both carbons are sharing 2 electrons. Now what is the number of electrons for this carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it needs 2 more electrons. We'll share like this. Octet is complete. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shares 2 electrons from these 2 hydrogens. Octet is complete and all the 4 duplets of 4 oxygen atom is complete. Now what is the molecular formula? C2H4. It is called ethene. Now for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon shares with 1 electron. Now what is the number of electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it shares 1, 6, 7, 8. Octet is complete. What about this carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shares 1 electron. Now octet is complete. Its formula is C2H2. It is called ethine, or even we call acetylene. Acetylene. This is your common name. This is your IUPAC name, which we will study during the nomenclature. Nomenclature means naming of a compound. Once again, I would like to remind you, my dear students, you don't write like this in your board exam. Many students used to write like this and we used to give 0 marks in the exam. So now this is CO. We will study, this is your ketone group. When we will study about the organic compounds, the hydrocarbons, which will contain alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone. Here is your ketone. See, this is the functional group. What is functional group? We will see. So ketone group, carboxylic group, ether group, halide groups. So see this, these all carbons are sharing with different number of electrons, with different number of electrons. Somewhere it is sharing between carbon and carbon. I am saying between carbon and carbon 1 electron, sometimes 2 electrons, sometimes 3 electrons. Now with the other one, this is here, if you can see, it is triple covalent bond. So carbon has a, no one other elements have this tendency. No other elements or no other atoms has this tendency that it will form single covalent bond, double covalent bond, or triple covalent bond. So this unique nature of carbon atom gives rise to a formation of large number of compounds. More than 5 million organic compounds are known so far, and every year thousands of new compounds are added. all this demands a separate branch of chemistry. We cannot remember the names of the 5 lakhs 5 millions organic compounds. My dear students, I'm sorry for my words if I had used 5 lakhs. So, even the lakh or 2 lakh or 1000, 10,000 organic compounds name, it is very uneasy to remember. How we will remember about 5 millions of organic compounds? So, there will be certain rule and regulation which we will see in our next class. Wish you all the best. Goodbye.